would like to say Nisambulu Vinaka and welcome to our home. The local time now is 13 minutes past 6. We are now approaching the terminal, and for your comfort and safety, please remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs above you are switched off. Please check your seat pockets and overhead lockers for personal belongings. Also take extra care when opening the overhead lockers, as some items may have moved during the flight. For further travel arrangements, we invite you to download the Fiji Airways travel app or visit FijiAirways.com and take advantage of our holiday package deals. Upon arrival at the terminal, our ground handling staff will be at the air bridge area and in the arrivals hall to assist you. Please do not hesitate to contact them for any assistance that you may require. For our guests returning home, we welcome you back, and for our guests here on a holiday, we trust that you will enjoy your stay in our beautiful islands. And if you are continuing on with your journey, we hope that you will have a safe onward one. On behalf of Captain Michael King, First Officer Yvette Hook, and your entire cabin crew, we trust that you have enjoyed your flight across with us. We thank you for choosing to fly with Fiji Airways and our codeshare partner Qantas, and we look forward to being of service to you when next you choose to fly with us. Vinaka Vakalevu, and once again, welcome to our home.